Introducing one-and-done toilet bolts. Standard brass bolts are a problem. They are difficult to align. Over-tightening can crack the toilet. Cutting in tight spaces is a pain. And tall caps are unsightly. The solution? One and done. Reinforced bolts are strong and rust-free, with bullet tips for easy toilet installation. Lock nuts keep the bolts vertical and align the toilet with the seal. Nuts are hand-tightened, eliminating the need for a wrench and preventing over-tightening. The diamond saw cuts bolts in seconds in tight spaces. No hacksaw is needed. The low-profile decorative caps are secured with a simple twist. Installation is simple. Install the bolts and lock nuts to hold them in place. Add a seal and set the toilet. Screw on the nut until it is snug to the toilet base, then give it a half turn to secure the toilet. Use the diamond saw to quickly cut the bolt at the top of the nut. Finally, add the decorative cap and secure it with a quarter turn. The one-and-done toilet bolts are the perfect solution.